Welcome. In this quick and updated tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to copy your personal invite link on Instagram so you can easily share your profile with friends, family, or anyone you want to connect with. The process is super simple, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find it. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to share. Once you're on your home feed, look down at the bottom of your screen and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you straight to your Instagram profile page. Next, look in the top right corner of your screen and tap the three horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. When the menu opens, you'll see several options like Settings, Archive, and Your Activity. Scroll down a bit and tap the option that says Follow and Invite Friends. Here you'll find a few different ways to share your Instagram profile by sending invites through messages, through other apps, or by using a direct link. What we're looking for is the Copy Invite Link button. Go ahead and tap that. As soon as you do, Instagram automatically copies your personal invite link to your phone's clipboard. You can now paste it anywhere in a message, an email, or even on another social platform so others can find and follow you instantly. It's that easy. If you'd like to double check that it worked, try opening a Notes app and pasting the link there. You should see your unique Instagram profile link ready to share. That's it. You've successfully copied your invite link on Instagram. This is a quick and convenient way to connect with new followers or share your profile with anyone without needing to type out your username. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Instagram tips like this one. Thanks for watching.